Metal roofing is one of the most durable and energy-efficient options for homes and businesses in Salt Lake City, Utah. A properly installed metal roof can last 40 to 70 years, withstand high winds, and shed heavy snow with ease. It reflects heat in the summer, lowers energy bills, and is fully recyclable at the end of its lifespan. At Vertex Roofing Contractors, every installation is backed by a 50-year manufacturer warranty and a 25-year workmanship guarantee. We install standing seam, shingle style, and corrugated metal roofing systems tailored to your property. Protect your home with a roof built for Utah's climate. Visit our website to learn more.